Hey there, welcome back to SysTools YouTube channel, your go-to place for quick and easy solutions to tech challenges. In today's video, we're diving into MDB to ACCDB. Whether you're looking for step-by-step guidance or a powerful tool to get the job done effortlessly, you're in the right place. Here at SysTools, we believe in making things simple, effective, and stress-free. That's why we'll also introduce you to an amazing tool by SysTools that can help you convert MDB file into ACCDB format with just a few clicks. To install the software, download from the link in the video description. After installing the software, simply launch it. The first interface will appear. Click on the Browse button to select the MDB file from its respective location on the drive. Once you reach to the respective location, select the file and click on the Open button to add the files. Once the file is added, click on the Recover button to begin the recovery of the data and conversion of the Access database. After the process has been completed, click on the Close button. After the recovery process, you can see all your table details on the left pane. If you select any table, expand the table and you will see all items in that table. Along with this, you can also able to see the recovered Access database in the right preview pane. After this process, click on the Export button to start the process. After clicking on the Export button, you will see multiple format options to choose from based on your requirements. We are converting into ACCDB file format. That's why select the .ACCDB option. After selecting .ACCDB format, click on Browse button to select the destination path. Select the folder from your system. You can also create new folder by clicking on Make New Folder option. After select the folder, click on OK. In Export option, choose Schema options, only schema or schema and data. If you want to export deleted records, then check the Export Deleted Record option. Now, click on Export or Save button. The software will start the conversion process. Once the process is completed, click on OK. After completing the whole process, you can see the following output folder where the conversion data is saved. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.